Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to show you what do I carry on my bag uh, that I use for drawing and sketching. So I'm going to show you here. All right. So this is the basic carry that I take with me when I go out to the field and do some drawing. Starting here is a notebook if I want to take out notes. You can use like any like pocket notebooks. It doesn't have to be fancy. You know, of course I've done a lot of note taking already. You know, don't mind my a lot of maths there. So whenever I watch need to write something, then I'll write it down here. I mentioned it before. If you're new to my channel, I do some sketchbooks, drawing as well. For this here, I've actually used this as like a journal when I was when I, when I was in the military and I got deployed. So this is like back in 2017. So I'm going to show you some drawing again as well. You know, again this 2017 as well. This is King Kong when the movie was released. So I'm pretty sure some of you have ever seen a preview of it, of this year, the new King Kong movie. So I've done mostly ink drawing. I usually just draw it from imagination using ink. I've actually combined some characters. You know, this is actually a combination of Carnage and Spider-Man's arch enemy named Electro. And I do a lot of ink drawing. As you can see, they're dark. Just like this. And for there's also a lot of my drawings are just like kind of like quick and executed to like less than an hour or so. I actually did this in just like in 45 minutes. Took me a while. As well as this. Again, it's back in if you can see it, I think it's 2018. 20. Alright. I do more detailed drawings as well. Some of them are like video game themed drawing, you know, like this here. Well, it's back in 2018, you know, when there's a video game called Skull and Bones preview came out, so I did like a drawing for that as well. You know, I do a lot of like a very detailed drawing. It becomes so detailed, or you know, kind of sketchy that, you know, it's gonna take time for others to figure it out. So this is actually like a kraken. You know, you see all these tentacles here. You know, trying to take down the whole ship, which is these here. And all the survivors are pretty much like left to like fighting for their lives. It's just a picture of like a farm. If you can tell, that's a farmer riding a water buffalo, and there's the house right there. So it's very dark, and it's and when I show this to people, they're very kind of like suspicious about it, like you know, did I even make this up? Yeah, so all of these are from my imagination. if you like being outdoors like me a lot, you know, you see a lot of trees here. So like this is like with a swamp theme drawing. There's also some landscapes. What I also brought in is several items here. Like I said, I usually use black ink for my drawings. Strip. There are times that I use pencil as well, like or markers, just to make a broader line. I brought in these compasses as well as these maps, because when you travel, you really have to know where you're going out there. Especially if you're traveling out in the woods by yourself, to do some drawings in the woods or a place that you're not familiar of. You need to have like a map. And so this is, for example, this is a Kamenga Lansana compass, and it's a foldable compass, and it's very tough. And you also have this Silva compass. So these are this is actually this is a military compass, and so since I've been in the military, I was taught like to go find my location with these two. So Protractor, a compass, and a map. So these are like the civilian version of compass. It's a Sunto. It is 830 field compass. And at the same time, I have this folding chair here, like that I could that I can actually put inside the backpack. Then when I'm done with the video, I usually just go back home or go to a coffee shop and just upload it to the art channel. But that's about it for all the items that I carry when I go outside drawing. A lot of things that I didn't mention here, because like that you can probably need, then just drop it in a comment box. So since we have a pen here or a marker, so I guess I'm gonna show you around what I have here. So like this. My wife actually have this awesome plaque here, but thing is, actually we got married at 2008, not 2009. So you know, fortunately we have a marker here to fix it. All right, so this fixed. So it's already like 2008, because that's the year I got married. All right, so if you can give this a like, this video a like as well, and subscribe hit the subscribe button below, and I really appreciate it. I'm also gonna show you some more drawings here, such as this. It's actually some of the drawings that I've done like way back. So as you can see, it's already back in 2009. So I've actually loved the movie Pirates of the Caribbean, so this is what inspired me to draw this drawing. All right, we're gonna move on here. Oh, so that's. Oh, so I still have a picture from when I was in the army. Here, this is a drawing back in, of course, 2011. 2011 is when I was deployed in Afghanistan. So we actually had this gazebo there in our camp. All right. And the other one is very detailed also is this chicken coop. I even put a title down there, and this is back in 2010. Yeah, so when I was stationed in Fort Bragg, I was actually drawing inside Starbucks. Then all of a sudden, this lady came, sat in front of me, and started watching me draw this. And, actually, I miss those days that you can actually sit on those coffee shops for hours. And nowadays, for those coffee shops that I go to, you can only sit at like around 20-30 minutes. But that's all right. That's all I have. Anyway, I'm gonna create more videos for you guys, and keep drawing and enjoy what you're doing. And thank you.